Have you ever found yourself laughing during a comedy show, only to catch yourself wondering? Or have you noticed that you often use humor to deflect conversations about serious topics? If so, you're not alone. Your mind uses humor as a coping mechanism to hide sadness, and it's a common psychological phenomenon known as benign intruder theory. Benign intruder theory proposes that our brains use humor to distract us from negative emotions, such as sadness, anxiety, or fear. When we're in a good mood, our brains release endorphins, which stimulate our reward centers and create feelings of pleasure. When we use humor to mask sadness, we're essentially tricking our brains into releasing these endorphins, which temporarily alleviates our emotional pain. But how often do you find yourself using humor as a way to hide your true feelings? Have you ever noticed that you tend to use sarcasm or irony in social situations to avoid being vulnerable? Perhaps you've used a joke to deflect a serious conversation, only to realize that your friend or family member has taken it the wrong way. So, how can you use this knowledge to improve your relationships and decision-making? By acknowledging the role of humor in your emotional coping mechanisms, you can start to recognize when you're using it as a defense mechanism. This awareness can help you build more authentic connections with others, as you'll be more likely to open up and be vulnerable. Recognizing the psychological motives behind your humor can help you make more informed decisions. Rather than using humor as a way to avoid difficult conversations, you can use it to build bridges and foster deeper connections with others. When it comes to using humor responsibly, it's essential to be mindful of your audience and the context in which you're using it. In conclusion, your mind uses humor to hide sadness as a natural coping mechanism. By understanding the psychology behind this phenomenon, you can develop greater self-awareness, improve your relationships, and make more informed decisions. Remember, humor is a powerful tool that can be used to mask sadness, but it's essential to be mindful of your audience and the context in which you're using it.